Hello, good morning, everyone. It's another day. It's a Sunday. Actually, today I decided to go to a nearby bush, see what I can find there. Just trying to explore. As you can see, the environment is breathtaking. This place is so beautiful, full of nature. There is only one house there. It's not a house. I think it's a pump. It's a pump area where they pump water for irrigation at this area. Just see the environment. I'm right here at Kigamboni. It's a beautiful place. I want to get lost in this bush and try to see what I can find there. Oh, let's go. The nature is breathtaking. As you can see, the pump is there. So they pump the water from that small river. Let's go. Here there is water, as you can see, and a small bridge. And I have to take this way up. I think this area is for government, something like that, because there is nobody who has a build here. It's only empty. Let me take you see around. It's so beautiful. Let's see what we can find in this area. Ooh. And there goes the sun. It's a sunny day, Sunday. What a beautiful day. And seems like yesterday it was raining. I spend my Sunday in this area, feel the nature, enjoy the beauty of nature. This is what I need to do today. I'm enjoying the nature. As you can see, it's a beautiful day. Oh, we are elevating. As you saw, we came down there from that end point. Now we are elevating up. What is your best way of spending your Sunday? Some people, they go to church. Some people, they go to beach. Some, they go to club or a pub. Some, they go to drink and all that. Some, they spend with their lovely ones. And some, like me, sometimes I go to nature. I go experience the nature. And that makes me happy and relaxed. Oh, what a lovely day. Actually, it's not bad to choose what you love to do on a weekend, but make sure you choose something that will enlighten your experience, something that will bring joy into your life. It's morning here, 8 a.m. and actually I'm out here alone and I feel good. I feel good about it. Seeing the nature is something that I love. The thing is, it's wet everywhere and I want to pass through this bush and I'm with slippers. This is hectic now, but it's okay. Let me cross here. Actually, it's too wet out here. Can you imagine? Whoa, it's beautiful. Oh, look at that tree. It's goddamn big. Let me go for it. They say tree has energy. Let me go touch the tree. How that energy. Beautiful nature. Wow, so beautiful. They say you should hug a tree, and I'm on it. Wow, it's beautiful. I exchange energy with the tree. Look at this mango tree. The mangoes are just below there. Let me go there. Let me try to pass here. They're full of grass. What is that? Oh, can't reach that far. They're full of grass here, so I have to be very careful. Let me follow this way. Actually, there is somebody coming there. Oh, I thought I was alone. Re-Energize? Yeah, I'm not alone here.